Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I try to go out now because I want to do exercise because of my foot. I need the footwork exercise because I feel pain in my right heel. I'm always cleaning the room, but I need to change some routine for my exercise. And you know, my habit before when I was teenager is playing the volleyball. Ball games is my favorite game. And I tried to buy a ball. I told to the salesman, do you have a volleyball ball for the volleyball? He said no, all about ball for soccer. But I think this is okay. It's so soft, but not heavy. It's okay for me to play the volleyball using this unheavy ball. But I observe the sky is dark. Maybe the rain will come. I need to remove my clothes outside the window. I need to go home. And I do bonding the two cats, very sweet to me. But anyway, please watch me in my playing volleyball today. Shout out to Justin Tenorio, my family, and to all my co-workers in Leonardo Hotel, and to all the hotel workers, to all branches of Leonardo, and also the all Filipino working in Israel in the hotel. The wind is coming now, maybe the rain will come. A little bit, I will take a photo over there. Ang bilis ko mahapo. I think this is the best exercise for me. I feel like I'm climbing in the tree and I'm climbing in the mountain. Once more. My body feel alive because this is cold time. Need to exercise. I come here again tomorrow morning. Wanna play with me? Come. Let's do our toes. This ball is not for the volleyball. They said this is for the volleyball, but it's so soft. It's good for me for my pulse. This ball is heavy. Unlike my second ball, it's very heavy. This is just for the volleyball. Not too much pain in my pulse. tired. You know, everything in my work and hotel is cleaning. I don't have warm up or any exercise. For me, this is the best exercise for me. Now I don't have work, and I will do this, practicing this ball in my phones. Which watch me. You know, most of the Israeli play the soccer, and which is that is good for the heart exercise. I toss this ball for us maybe half minutes. I'm very tired. Maybe I need to count for 100. Okay. 1, 2, 9. Only 22. I'm tired. I have a step neck because I sleep because of sleeping. Improper use of pillow. Bye bye. I saw a cutie cat there. I will take a video. I need to sit there and rest and go home. Shalom, Chubby. I'm sorry, I have a lot of food, but no food for the cat I have in the house. Shabbat Shalom. You know, Garfield lost. Someone get Garfield in the hotel. Hi. Can I touch you? Touch? Oh, be there. Be there. Yan, yung isa tumago sa likuran. Then masasaktan. Ito talaga, mukha lang mabangis, pero malambing siya. Para siya si Garfield. Sorry, si Garfield nawala na eh. I have food in the house, 1 kilo. I will preserve that for you because Garfield not here. Dahil nalaman ng pusang bibigyan ko siya ng pagkain. Ayan, nagpaikot-ikot na naman sa likuran ko. Shoutout ka sa Philippines. Nagpaikot-ikot ka ng puwit mo sa aking likod. Oh, huwag kang kakalong. Matalas ang kuko mo. There. Cha. I have food in the house. If you want, I will go down this afternoon. Do not hide. As you will see in my surroundings, the leaves of the tree already fall after the winter. And then maybe after 1 month or 3 weeks, the springtime is coming now. And I will walk there to go home. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Okay, I will show you to play my volleyball. Wait before a second. here. I hope the police not stop me here. Please watch me. Okay, that's all. Finish. Tomorrow again. Yeah, springtime is near to come. Some small flowers bloom. The golden flowers here in Beersheba. The scripture said, "Look up the wise and collecting their food in summertime in preparation of rainy season." I observed there's a lot of ants collecting their food and bring to their house. This time, I think Beersheba have rain, or the rainy season in Beersheba, Israel is coming because the ant collecting their food and put in their soil house. Seems like a mountain house design. First time I saw that ant with a big house made of soil. And I need to go home because I think the rain will drop now. I'm very amazed. That is the example of God, that ant is a wise. The sky is too dark now. Example. Yesterday I hung my clothes outside the window and this morning I rewash again. And I wish I come home without the rain outside. Then I will remove all my clothes outside the window. Good luck. And now it's rainy season, as you observe. I saw the ant collecting the foods and put over their house. They built a house. Come back for you. I have food here. And wait a minute. Excited. Where you want to eat? Come on. Here. Come to me. Delicious. And you also, Oreo. Bigyan mo siya. Ano ba yan? Sosolohin mo? Tiabon. Oh, here. Come. Hindi. Ayaw mo nang may katabi. Tiabon. I have 1 kilo there. Gusto niya tuna. Ayaw niya. Ayaw na ng ganung pagkain. Ang arte. Hindi mo isa ulam pili. What do you want to eat? Gusto mo nasa lalagyan. O, dito. Ito na yun. Wala nang iba. Gusto mo sa lalagyan. May respeto ka. Ayaw mo niya na kung saan pinakakain. Gusto mo may kainan. Sosyal. Sige, bibili ako ng kainan nyo. Ayaw niyang basta lang pinatong ang pagkain doon sa bato. Tay-tay nito. Madudumihan na ng laway mo yung lalagyan ko. Hugasan ko yan. Wait, ayan o, puro laway mo na. Come on, boy. Here. Puro laway mo na eh. Ako na yung lahat dyan. May 1 kilo naman dun. Busin mo na yung lahat. Gusto niya katabi ko. Gusto niya uupo ako. Tapos doon siya kakain. Ayan. Gusto niya katabi yung... Tabi dyan taba. Meron ka na doon nagawan mo pa. Gusto nito, katabi yung nagpakain. Kakaiba tong pusang ito. Hindi siya kakain na hindi ka katabi. Yun, pare-pareho lang ng lasa yan. Yun nandun tsaka sa gilid. Harbe. Tiabon. Harbe doon, sa likod mo yun, oh. Harbe. Gusto niya katabi yung amo. Yung nagpapakain. Kakaiba tong pusa na to. Para lang si Tiger ito eh. Naambo na. Kailangan ko na sumilong. Malakas ang ulan na yan. Saan kaya ako tatambay? Punta kaya ako Urbanica. Eh, anong oras na? Alas 4 na. Sarado na mga store ngayon. Oy! Friday today, all closed. Charot. Smile. Oh, tiabon. Tiabon. Ayaw na agad. Uulan na eh. Ayaw na agad. Ayan, kainin mo pa. Ayan po, oh. Tiabon yun. Malakas yung ulan na yan. Saan tayo tatambay niya? Alas 4 na. Babush. May-ari pala sa'yo, pinagupitan ka ng tenga para hindi ka makuha. Nice. Parang walang gupit ang tenga mo. Patingin? Mailap ka eh. Mailap ka. Ito mabait. May gupit ang tenga. Dapat si Garfield ginupitan ng tenga para hindi nakuha yun eh. Oh. Mula ngayon, magkaibigan na tayo. May 1 kilo pa doon. Ubusin nyo yan. Overtime kayo mamayang gabi dyan. Ba? Nilalamig ka, kaya tumidikit ka sa akin. Kailangan mo ng... Kawawa ka naman. Saan kayo natutulog? Bigay ko sa'yo yung towel ko. Para may tapakan ka. Wag na. Iiwanan mo lang naman. Shalom. Don't afraid to me. You're so cute. Anyway. Continue cleaning. Beautiful sunset. The half of the park have light, the half no light. Yeah. I feel sleepy. I will go back now. How about you, two friend? The rain is dropped now, as you will see, and the fountain, the drop of the rain, a little bit. The circle decoration is like a drop of the rain. Okay? The rain is slowly down, and then I will say bye-bye to you. Enjoy this night. Bye-bye. I will go home. Bye, Chubby. Bye-bye. Saan kaya sisilong ang mga pusa na ito? Umuulan na. Sabi, naulan na, sumilong ka sa akin. Uuwi na ako. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Doon ka sa bahay doon, oh. Silong ka na, dali. I will go now. Kapin niya, nakapayong siya. Nakita mo yung mga lola doon pumunta, oh, sa park. Doon ka pumunta. Yun, oh, yung parang may kubo doon. Doon ka tamakbo. Sama ka sa akin. Kung malakas ang ulan, doon ka pupunta, ha. Mabagsak na yan. Let's go. Bo. Bo. Shh. Everybody, thank you for watching. Umuulan na. Saan kaya tatago ang mga pusa na to? Alam nyo, nahuli ko yung pusang puti. Doon siya nagtatago sa maraming damo. Doon siya natutulog kahit umuulan. Yun si taba na yun. Mailap siya. Mailap yan. Itong isa, sweet, sweet, sweet. Isilong sa akin. Umuulan na. Tingnan ko, pag lumakas yung ulan, oy, chubby, parang may bangas ang bibig mo. Nagkapag-away ka, no? The cat also need cover when the rain is come. They need also umbrella. They need also a house. Of course, they need food and water to live. If you saw a cat anywhere here in Israel, just take care of them. Give them food and shelter. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoy watching this vlog. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.